How to upload video on TikTok from gallery? First of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen to upload video on TikTok, or either you can go to profile at the bottom right corner and select upload button if you haven't uploaded any one. You need to allow TikTok to take pictures and record video, so tap while using the app. Now you have directly access to your gallery section where you can easily choose videos or photo that you want to upload. For now, let's select any particular video that we want to upload on TikTok. You can also check mark this select multiple icon at the bottom left corner and then easily select the multiple videos. Once you have opened the particular video, here with the help of the right panel, you can easily edit this videos and customize it using the filters, text, stickers and many more. Now tap the next button at bottom right corner of the screen and you will land on the section where you have to add the description, hashtags, add link and choose the audience. If you wish to share to WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, you can also do that and tap the post button. Once you do that, it will be uploaded on TikTok from your gallery. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.